Good morning, students. Today we will study first chapter of our English Beehive book, The Fun They Had, written by Isaac Asimov, given on page number 5. Let's begin reading our story. Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary. On the page headed 17th May 2157, she wrote, "Today, Tommy found a real book." Now here, Margie is the main character of the story. She is a girl of 11 years age. She writes a diary. And on the night of 17th May 2157. Now right now we are living in 2020. As I told you, this story is of future. It is set in the year 2157. So almost 1.5 centuries, that is 137 years from now. At that time, Margie, this girl, writes entry in her diary that Tommy found a real book. Tommy found a real book and she is feeling so strange because now in her time real books does not exist. They only have e-books, virtual books. So a book which is there in the format of printed on paper is no longer exist there. That is why the Margie is astonished, surprised to see a real book. It was a very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. Now, Margie is reminded of her grandfather. Margie's grandfather told her that his grandfather studied all the books that were printed on paper. So, this kind of a book is a kind of history for them, something which they cannot believe, they just can imagine it. They turned the pages, which were yellow and crinkly. Crinkly means crushed, and it was awfully funny to read words that stood still and instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen, And then, when they turned back to the page before, it had the same words on it that it had when they read it the first time. So here the word crinkly means with many folds or lines, means crushed. So Margie is talking about the book that Tommy had found. She says that the pages of the book had turned yellow and they had been crushed because the book was very old. And the children found it very funny to read words that stood still. Now, what does it mean by the words that stood still? As the words were printed on paper, they did not move. On the other hand, the books that the Margie and Tommy read were online. So in the e-books, how it happens? The text keeps on moving as your screen moves. But this was different from these printed books. And then, when they turned back to the page before, it had the same words on it that it had when they read it the first time. So this was very strange for these children. Now you have both kind of books. You have the books printed on paper, plus you also have access to e-books. So you can make out how these children are feeling. Now when you have a book which is printed on paper, whenever you flip the pages, you get to see the same thing written on page. But on the other hand, in an e-book, the text keeps on changing on the screen. The screen is same when you have the same screen in front of you, but the text keeps on changing. So, whenever you go back, the text is different. Gee, said Tommy, what a waste. When you are through with the book, you just throw it away. I guess our television screen must have had a million books on it, and it's good for plenty more. I wouldn't throw it away. Now, Tommy disliked this printed book. He said that this book was a wastage because he felt that whenever you had a complete reading of the book, you have to throw it away. You cannot have some different story written on the same book. On the contrary, he felt that the television screen was very good because the same screen had shown him many books and still he could read many more books on the same screen, and he would not have to throw that screen away once he had read the particular story. So here Tommy is comparing the printed book to ebook. He says that the printed book is a wastage because once a person has read that book, he has to throw it away. But he cannot get a new story on the same book. And on the other hand, he also said that the television screen was very good because this same screen showed him many more books, and still he could not read many more books on the screen, and he did not have to throw it away after reading a particular story.